Hello friends. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about project called a job portal. Okay, so basically this job portal project is used to post the job, and HR can register and HR can post the job, and candidate can apply the jobs. Okay, so after applying, a candidate need to enter the some of the details like their name and date of birth, and they have to upload their resumes and all. So after applying the job, so HR can see the resumes and they can contact to the candidate. Okay, so now I will show how to demonstrate this project. Okay, so first of all we have to run this project. Okay, so basically this project is developed by using Python and Django. So and even front end we have used the HTML, CSS and bootstrap. Okay, so for backend storing data we have used the SQLite, that is default available in the Django. So by making these all technologies, we have developed a sample applications. Okay, so to run these applications, we have to type the command called Python manage.py run server. So by using this command, we can run the project. Okay, so now after entering this, it will give the URL. So okay, by click on this URL, or you can copy and paste this URL in web browser. Okay, so now I copied. So this is the home page of job portal. Okay, so this is the nav bar, and I have used the login and registration and admin login. So this is for the here login and registration, these three all tabs for only the company people or HR people, then they can log in and they can register. Okay, so this is the admin page, means admin page he can maintain everything for the entire applications. So here in this home page, see available job means who all HR posted the available job openings, they can candidate can see these jobs. Okay, so and by seeing this, he can see the salary, experience. Based on this criteria, he can apply the company apply for the job. Okay, so let us say that I'll show one. I will apply for one example. Okay, so I will show. So now, I'm applying this AppG technology for QA engineering. Okay, they have the this is the requirement, and they are providing this much salary, and they're expecting 2 year experience. So the location is in Bangalore. So to apply for this job, we have to click on the apply. So here basically like a candidate no need to register or anything in this portal. Okay, because there will be so many n number of people applying for the job. So we are not taking their detail and storing in the database. Just whatever whoever applied candidate data only we are storing in the database. So now candidate will click on the apply button. So after clicking on the apply button, they will ask for some of the details about the candidates. So now I will show you apply by applying one candidate name. So candidate name is the ABC is the my candidate name, and his date of birth is this one is the date of birth, and I need to select the gender. Then need to enter the candidate mobile number and candidate email address, and here they have to choose the resume. Okay, so I will choose one resume. So after choosing a resume, so now which company he need to apply. Like now I'm applying for AppG technology. He can apply like multiple company also. Okay, so now I will show only one company I am applying. So click on the submit button. So after clicking on the submit, he can successfully applied. Okay, so he applied to the this AppG technology. So now like user or like admin here is the main role. Okay, so admin can check the who all applied. So here we have to log in as the admin. Okay, so this is login phase for admin. Okay, so first here admin can register. I will show this part later. So now I will show like who all candidate now ABC candidate applied. Okay, this is the admin credential. See, this is the candidate applied, means who all are candidate applied. Now you can see that this ABC student applied, and this is the resume, and he is the applied for this. This is the student details. Okay, so now he can also like HR can download their resume, and they can review if their criteria is matching. She can call to the candidate. This is the candidate number and candidate email ID. Okay, so now I will show like how to post the uh, see, this is the already posted. Now I will show how to register as a HR, and HR they can how to post the job. Okay, so first, to before to post the job, HR need to register in the job, this website. Okay, so click on the register here. Here, after clicking the register, so okay, like here he can click, or even admin can also be registered. Like admin can also add as a admin can also add to the HRs. Okay, so I will show through admin panel. See, this is the message like how applied successfully, means candidate applied, that will show here. See here, users means here in our user means all the HR people will be coming. Okay, who are registering, those people will be coming here. So now I will show how to like now admin here adding one HR. Okay, so admin, so username is HR name is Kiran. Kiran is the HR name, and enter the password. And click on the save button. See, Kiran was successfully created. Okay, so means you admin is created HR called Kiran. So now HR can see the applied candidate who all applied for the job portal. Okay, so now I will, so here in this home page, admin can log in here. Okay, so admin means admin in the sense HR name is the Kiran, and enter the password. See, now these are the candidates. See, you can hear ABC people is applied for the company. Okay, so this is the HR, means HR can see the all the detail who all candidates applied for the job. Okay, you can observe here also it's showing Kiran. So now how to post the job, like now I will show how to like here admin is sorry, admin is like added the user, and now company like HR people will post the job. So to post that job, we have to go in admin panel. So admin will post the job. Okay, basically here go in company. So add the company here. Here admin need to select an HR name. So here HR is, so now just now we have added the Kiran HR. Okay, so HR Kiran, Kiran, I am adding his company requirement is there, so I am adding here. So name of the company, so name of the company ABC Private Limited. Okay, and position, which position they are hiring. Now I am taking QA position. Descriptions, write some descriptions like urgent. So urgent requirements. Okay, so you can write anything. And salary, salary is 40,000, and experience is 3 years, and locations Jayanagar. So this is the, and now click on the save buttons. Okay, see, after company ABC Private Limited is successfully added. So now go to the website here, sorry, log out and go to the home page. See here, you can observe, see, ABC Private Limited company is added this job, means that HR Kiran is there. No, that Kiran is added this company by the admin. Okay, so he posted the job here. Now candidate can apply for here. Okay, so this is the simple, like admin can have the everything control, so he can manage everything. Okay, so now I will show like data how it is storing in database. Okay, see, user means here normally the who all HR registering, the that data is coming here. Okay, means who are like yeah, HR people will register through the website, and all the data will, yeah, all the data will be storing in this table. So users is the table name here. And next, who all candidate applied, that data is I'm storing here. See, recently ABC student is applied. Okay, so you can see that he is applied for Abju Technologies. Okay, so even we can like his resume also is there. We can see the resume also. Like here, admin can also delete this student who applied for the job. So and next in company, so in company table he can like which all companies added by the HR he can see. So this is the company detail and the HR name. This is the name, means HR name of the company, and this is the company name and which position they are hiring and all. So these details they can be seen by the admin, and even admin can delete the this details. So I hope you understand this simple website. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.